Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
We are learning more about the man accused of shooting a woman in the head in North Knoxville.
The victim still in critical condition. Paul Foutner, the man charged with 2 counts of attempted first-degree murder, 3 counts of reckless endangerment with a deadly weapon, and 1 count of employing a firearm during the commission of a dangerous felony following that shooting on Wednesday involving a school bus as well, now faces another charge, second-degree attempted murder unrelated to the shooting. A police report states officers got a call on February 2nd. A woman was hiding inside a stockroom at a gas station on Broadway, allegedly hiding from Foutner. The victim told officers during an argument with Foutner inside a vehicle at another location, he yanked her back into the car as she tried to exit and then threatened to kill her. At some point, the victim states she stopped for gas, and that's where she asked staff to hide her. Foutner was not there by the time police arrived. As for the other charges, those stem from Wednesday when a minivan swerved into the lane of a Jeep on North Central Street near Atlantic Avenue. There was a confrontation before Foutner allegedly got out of the Jeep and shot at the minivan 5 times, one of those bullets hitting the woman in the head. The woman then crashed into Compass Heating and Air. Knoxville police say a school bus was also hit by at least 1 bullet. 3 people, including a student, were on board at the time. No one on the bus was hurt. Again, these 2 incidents are not currently considered to be related.
Tonight, a Knoxville man is on trial this week in a road rage murder case. Paul Foutner is accused of killing Tamaralynn Ann Russell along a street in Knoxville 2 years ago. A fight over traffic along North Central Street ended with gunshots, including bullets that hit a nearby school bus. Prosecutors say the 32-year-old suspect meant to kill his target. Defense lawyers say the shots were random, including bullets fired in his own vehicle. That trial is expected to last through the week. Convicted a man of second-degree murder today for shooting and killing a woman on Central Street. It happened back in 2021. Investigators say Paul Foutner was a passenger when he fired 5 shots at another vehicle. One of the bullets hit Tamaralynn Ann Russell in the head. She died hours later at a hospital. Officers blame that shooting on road rage. The jury also convicted that suspect of attempted second-degree murder and reckless endangerment.
Paul Foutner's murder trial continuing today here in Knoxville. Today, both investigative findings and photos were presented. Testimony also given. We've been telling you Foutner is facing a slew of charges in the death of 38-year-old Tamaralynn Ann Russell. He is accused of shooting her while she was driving in North Knoxville back in February of 2021.
Now to some continuing coverage of a murder trial. A jury has found Paul Foutner guilty of second-degree murder in connection to a deadly shooting. As we've reported, Foutner is facing a number of charges in the death of 38-year-old Tamaralynn Ann Russell. He's accused of shooting her while she was driving in North Knoxville back in February 2021.
New tonight, a Detroit man will spend 54 years in jail after he was convicted of murder during a road rage shooting. That shooting happened in February of 2021 in Knoxville. 1 woman was killed. Investigators say Paul Foutner was a passenger when he fired 5 shots into a car. That swerved in front of his car. His shots also hit a Knox County special needs school bus.